During this lesson range, the following sounds are introduced. Remember how to say the sounds without varying the pitch. R, E, S. The most common format for sounds is the sounds firm-up. Let's review the important teaching techniques for sounds firm-up exercises. First, focus your finger on the big ball of the arrow. Pause a few seconds, then say, "Get ready," and signal by looping to the dot under the symbol. After keeping your finger on the dot for several seconds, you crisply take your finger off the dot and move to the big ball of the arrow for the next sound. Remember to have your eyes on the children as you signal. To correct if children mispronounce a sound, you use a model lead test procedure. To correct if children simply forget or misidentify a sound, you use a model test correction.